Hi friends, welcome to the online course on Programming in Python by Hemant Academy. In this session, we are going to write a program to find the string is palindrome or not. Let us start the coding with a comment, which is always a good practice to specify the objective of the program. Accept a string and store it in a variable. For example, t equal to input, enter a string. We can use case fold method or lower method to convert the string into lowercase. Remove the white spaces in the string using the replace method. That is s equal to t dot replace within bracket, specify space in single quote, comma, and open and close the quotes without any space. Please note, the removal of white space in the input string depends upon the problem statement. In Python, we don't have any inbuilt function to reverse a string. However, we can use the slicing to reverse a string that can be performed by using the slice object or indexing. For example, using indexing, leave the start and stop index values to default values and specify the step index as -1, which will return reverse of the string. Print the converted string, which does not have any white space, and also print the reverse of the string. Using the if statement, check if the given string which we have removed the white spaces and the reverse of the string are equal or not. If it is equal, print the string is palindrome. Otherwise, in the else part of the if structure, print the string is not a palindrome. Save and execute the program. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel for regular updates.